Hey guys, good evening. So it's me, Butterfly Spirit, and I wanted to give you guys an update on my progress since I've taken my second pole class. So this is going to be real quick because I got to eat some dinner. So anyway, um, tonight I decided I wanted to practice some moves that I struggled with in my second pole class. So the things I struggled with or moves was the pirouette and the step around. So those are two things that I had a hard time being able to like understand, or rather, like I understood the step around, but I think combining the step around with the pirouette was a challenge because if I'm learning one move at a time and I learn that, my brain gets to process that. But like if I'm combining like a move I learned with like a new move, I have like a challenge with that. And I think this happens to a lot of pole dancers in particular. But anyway, for me, I just managed to learn how to combine the two moves. So in my pole class, I learned how to do the step around after like my first class. I started practicing the step around at home. And then when I came to the second pole class, then I was able to do the step around a lot better. It's like my brain had like processed it. Okay. And then I learned the pirouette. I have done pirouettes in the past, like a year or so ago, but I forgot, my body forgot how to do a pirouette. And the way in which I learned how to do it at home was like from a different video. But recently I found a video, the same video that I was watching to learn how to do a step around really good. Um, Tonight I decided to watch a video on how to do the pirouette because in my second pole class, I had a hard time doing a pirouette. It was like a very awkward way to move my body because the body has to twist inward essentially like that towards the pole, which can make some people dizzy at first and stuff. So tonight I decided to practice the pirouette. So I watched a video, and the video I watched was super helpful. I slowed down the video and watched the person do a pirouette. And what I did is I kind of followed along as she was doing it. I did the same movements with my body as she did. And I was able to kind of get an understanding. And then what I did is I went downstairs into my basement, and there's a pole down there. Okay. Um, and basically practiced doing doing pirouettes down there, and it really helped. Now, before I went downstairs to practice on a pole, I actually like practice upstairs next to a wall and stuff, making sure I position both of my hands in the correct place, um, and then um, and then turning inward, where towards the wall, like I would do with the pole. Okay. And it actually helped. And for a lot of pole dancers, it could be really awkward to do a pirouette because the body is like, what the hell are we doing? And that's what my body was saying too. But I did manage to learn to do a pirouette, and I managed to combine the step around along with the pirouette on like both sides of my body. So I managed to be able to do that. And I was like, wow, because in my class, I was not able to do that. But tonight I was able to do it. And I feel so good about that. Now it's not perfect and it's not exactly polished, but it is good. I could see like that I'll be able to improve from here, and I'm very comfortable with my progress. And so this really tells you guys the value of how important it is to really like practice something at home after you've learned it in class. Because then, you develop the muscle memory in class, and then you kind of sleep on it and heal up from it. And then after that, you'll notice that you're going to be able to do certain movements or whatnot. If you're doing pole, for example, or ballet or something else, you'll be able to do it at home after you've kind of practiced at home on your own, as long as you watch like a helpful video and stuff. I find that in-person experience really helps me a lot in class. And then afterwards, I'm able to like work on things at home. Now, there's some things with pole I'm not going to be able to do at home, but I'll have to do in the studio, which is super fine. But I'm very proud of myself to be able to share my progress with learning to do this step around and pirouette. And you guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to pole dancing. And if you don't know, it's fine. You can go on YouTube and look up like pirouette and pole dancing. Um, and you search that, or you can search like dip, spin, pole dancing. That's another name for a step around, or you might say step around pole dancing or whatever. But I think people call it a dip spin. Depending on who you ask, the movement is going to be called something different. But I'm very proud of myself because I really feel like I'm making progress in pole and everything, and I'm really excited about like the progress I'm making. So I just wanted to really share this with you guys so you know, like, yay, I'm making progress. And I hope you guys are making progress too in whatever it is that you're doing. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys, and bye for now.